we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
Stop kicking my chair.
Well, stop banging my elbow.
Hey, what's going on, kittens?
Kit won't stop bothering me.
Nuh-uh. She's the one bothering me.
How about we take a little story break?
Yeah, let's make up a story about a pest.
Who just wanted to be left alone.
Come on, you two. And what should we call this story?
Move it!
Once upon a time, there was an ant who set off to find the perfect spot to spend his summer vacation.
Yes, Queen. No, Queen. Move this crumb. Build that hill. Boy, do I need this vacation. This is it. This is my spot. Ah, what a perfect view.
What a perfect view.
Out of my way! Who do you think you are? I can't see a thing! Move it! Oh, if I had some extra muscles, I would just move you right out of my way.
Hey, we got plenty of muscles.
More than enough to help him move that dinosaur.
Wow, you're not kidding.
Come on, Kit. Let's make that dinosaur move it. Go, kitties, let's go!
Who are you?
We're that muscle you need.
Let's show that dinosaur what time it is.
What time is it?
Time for him to move it.
Come on!
Move it!
I think our muscles need some extra muscle.
Now we're talking.
It's time to take our view back.
Move it!
Looks like our extra muscles need some extra muscles.
This'll wake him up.
Ready! Aim! Fire!
All right, we'll push him out of the way.
This'll send him flying. Geronimo! Uh-oh. Whoa!
Where'd he go?
Mars?
I'm over here.
Where?
On the other side of the dinosaur. And the view is great.
Let's go.
You see, instead of moving the dinosaur, all we had to do was move ourselves.
Good move, Kit.
Now I can finally relax.
What a perfect view.
Chester, what are you doing hiding here behind that tree?
Hello, dear.
I've been looking for you everywhere. Ah, what a perfect view.
Guess it's time to move again.
Great story, Dad.
Glad you liked it. Kate, where are you going?
I'm gonna move.
Good idea, Kate. I'll move too.
Oh, brother.
Go, 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 go. Where will we we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go. Hey, Kit, I say we play tag.
Okay,
And you're it.
let the game begin.
Wait, you gotta put on this blindfold first. That's the rule.
No, I don't want to bang into things. How about whoever is chased has to hop on one foot?
No, I don't like that rule.
Well, I don't like your rules.
Too bad. My game, my rules, Kit.
How about this rule? Before you begin your game, you have to make up a story.
But it's my game. What's the story about?
How about a little rabbit who loved to make up the rules?
Ooh, like me. And I say we call it Let the Games Begin. Once, there was a cute little rabbit named Tina who had lots of toys.
The coolest toys.
Like rocket ponies.
And Dolly loves a lot. I love you a lot.
And her brand new laughing ball.
Want to play with my brand new laughing ball?
No thanks.
Me neither.
Come on, it'll be fun.
That's what you always say.
That's impossible. How can they not want to play with that ball?
I sure would.
Then let's do it.
Go, kitty kitties, let's go! We'd love to play with your laughing ball. Can I go first?
Wait! I have to show you the rules.
First you hit it.
Catch it, then toss it to the next player.
Okay. I have an idea. You can spin while the ball is in the air.
Stop!
Why? It's fun.
No. My ball, my rules.
Well, I don't like your rules.
Me neither.
Let me guess. My ball, my rules.
How did you know?
That's how she always plays. Why does she have to make up all the rules?
Like playing tag with a blindfold?
But that's a fun rule.
Huh, for you maybe.
Oh, I get it.
At least you like my rules. Catch.
I love you a lot.
I love you a lot too, Dolly. But you're terrible at catching. We're good at catching.
We'll play with you. But only if we all get a chance to make up the rules.
But my rules are fun.
For you, maybe.
And a game should be fun for everyone.
Okay. So what fun rule do you want to add?
That whoever makes up the silliest move rule wins.
I'm first. You have to spin around.
Woo! Hop on one foot. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Shout, awooga, awooga.
Awooga, awooga. Make a funny face.
How'd you like that, Tina?
That's more fun than I've ever had in my whole life.
Want to play again? Let the games begin.
That was a great story.
Can we try playing tag again? You can add rules if you want.
Here's my rule. When you tag someone, add a tickle.
That's a great rule. And you're it.
I'm gonna get you.